Alien and John. John lived in a village. One day, as he was looking at the sky, he saw a bright light descending. After some time, the light descended near him. It was a alien. Alien looked at him. Initially, John got frightened, but as the alien said, "Hello, John, will you be my friend? I am alien from other planet. I have come to see this wonder earth." John and Alien became friends. John brought Alien to his house. They had dinner together. Their parents were happy to see Alien. As Alien was enjoying the dinner, he saw a tomato, and as he ate it, it was very delicious. And John said, "It is tomato." Then Alien said, "It is very tasty, and I want to see the factories where you are making such beautiful things and so smooth, so jointless, how you are filling the juice into it. All these things I want to see." John smiled. "Okay, I will show you in the morning." In the morning, John takes him to the farm, and there he shows the various plants of tomatoes and the trees of the mangoes and the grapes. And Alien was astonished to see all these things growing there. John said, "These are the factories on earth which are producing all the fruits and the vegetables." Now the alien says, "From where you get the raw material for these things?" John again smiled. He says, "This is the wonder earth." He takes out some sand and shows to alien, "This is the ingredient. In this we add water, we add the fertilizers, we in the form of, and then the sunlight for the photosynthesis, and the plants make synthesize their own food." And here it is. There are all different varieties, hundreds of varieties of vegetables and fruits. Alien was too astonished. He says, "It is a wonder. The earth is more wonderful than any other planet. It is so beautiful factories which are filtering the things of it their own and producing the things of different colors and the flowers of different fragrance." Then John takes him further and talks around to the village. He shows a cow which was being milked, and then John said, "What is this?" "This is milk." Then Alien was again astonished, and John said, "This is the milk. We make tea and coffee and the sweets from this." The alien says, "But how the milk is being produced? Where is the raw material for making all this?" Then again the John smiled, and he takes out some grass and some vegetables and says, "Yes, this is the raw material. The cow eats these things, and inside there is a mechanism which makes the things into milk, which is having protein and all other minerals." John was too astonished and very happy to see all these things happening on the earth. He says, "Earth is a really wonderful planet." And then John again explained that these are the plants which give out the oxygen in which we respire. There is no other means of oxygen getting replenished in the atmosphere other than the plants and the trees. And one more thing, whatever oxygen we are taking, we are giving out the carbon dioxide as a waste product. Plants take that carbon dioxide from this atmosphere and synthesize it to make the food. So that is the cycle. So if there, so it is only the plants and the trees which replenish the oxygen in the atmosphere and take away the carbon dioxide. There is no other means to give the oxygen in the atmosphere. John was too happy, too too astonished to see all these things. And then the John was taken to the John takes the alien to his school and meets the principal. And there in the auditorium, The principal requests John to say few words to his students. Then John addressed to the students that I have seen this wonder earth, and I seen the plants and the trees. They are beautiful, and they are giving you the food to eat. There is no other means which can give the living beings the food other than the plants and the trees. They give you the oxygen. And then my friend John was telling that many people are indiscriminately cutting the trees. They are not appreciating the plants and the trees. So this is not good. So the plants and the trees are life for everybody. So they should be respected, and they should not be cut indiscriminately. So, he requested all the students that all of them must respect the trees and the plants and grow as much trees and the plants as possible, because they are giving you the food, they are giving the fruits, vegetables, and everything to eat. Even those who are the non-vegetarians, they are eating the flesh, but the flesh animals like the goat, like the chicken, etc., are also eating the vegetables. So, in the end, Alien thanked everyone, and he thanked John. And in the evening, he says goodbye to John and his family, and gradually turns into the bright light, and the light gradually goes into the sun, and saying goodbye to all, and saying, then I will surely come back again and bring more information for you, more help for the earth, and I wish you good, all of you. Thank you.